Hello students and all my respected staff members, and regard to my principal ma'am. As we all know that we are suffering from this period which is called lockdown, and I'm using word suffering where actually most of the creative people are enjoying this period and they are creating a lot of things in this period. Painters are doing paintings, singers are doing singing, and in this lockdown period, as we are enjoying our summer vacations, and with the permission of our principal ma'am, we are going to start our summer camp here. So this is my introductory small clipping or it's a small lecture, as I am going to tell all the students that what are the items which are going to which we are going to teach you, and all of our staff members will happily teach you. And this list enlisted is with music, clay modeling, cooking, kitchen gardening, story, poem, essay writing, spoken English and personality development, and painting, Punjabi folk, dances, English grammar also, and Bhangra,
Yes.
Jindua, Luddi, Humor, and you can choose any item or more than one item you can choose also. And you know that all the teachers in our school are very talented, and according to your choice we will teach you online or with videos, and you will enjoy this video.
Sure.
And you are going to have a lot of fun with us.
Yeah.
She is my niece. Sorry, I'm introducing her very late. She's my niece, Harsimran Kaur, and she is in now 9th class. And she is very fond of music, dancing, and painting too. And she will be being with me, and we both of you do our duty, whatever we can do for you. And this lockdown period, I hope that it will end up soon, but till then we have to do our duty. Your duty is to study from home, and our duty is work from home. So this is the first summer camp's day. I think this is the first day of our summer camp, and let's start. This is my first introductory lecture. Please make your mind which items you want to learn. And one thing I will add, Harsimran,
Yeah.
that most of the students may not have harmonium at home.
Sure.
What should they do then?
What about apps?
Yes,
Online.
yes, online apps. Students can download online apps like Play Piano, Harmonium. Like these apps they can download, and you don't need any other original instrument. You can take help from these apps. Okay, then I will teach you basics of classical music. Like the first lesson will be based on 7 swaras and the paltas, and Harsimran will sing with me. And okay, after this, the next video I am going to start regarding music, and I have a little bit interest in like painting and folk dances. I will do a little bit more
Yeah.
regarding these items, na? And you are going to learn this. You watch our videos of all of the teachers from our school, and follow our instructions, and copy us or note down the points, and you can call us, you can make videos also. You should make videos, because how can we know that what are you doing, right or wrong?
Yeah.
This is the main point. This is to be noted. This is mandatory that you make videos of your work, whether it is painting or dancing or singing or cooking. You should make video and send to the concerned teacher. Okay students, thank you.
That's all.